In many cultures, burping is considered a polite expression of appreciation after a meal. For example, in China, guests might burp to show they enjoyed the dinner, a sign of respect to the host. This is in stark contrast to Western cultures where burping at the table can be seen as rude or inappropriate. Let's travel to the Middle East, where a loud burp signifies satisfaction and a hearty meal. Not everyone misunderstands this gesture. In some communities, it's almost expected. However, in Japan, where silence during meals is valued, any noise can be frowned upon. So next time you're enjoying a meal, remember that what's polite in one culture might be considered quite strange in another.